PSA 182, traffic 12 o'clock, 1 mile northbound. PSA 182, additional traffic, 12 o'clock, 3 miles, just north of the field, northeastbound of Cessna 172, climbing via fly out of 1,400. Cessna 7711 Golf, San Diego, departure radar contact. Maintain VFR conditions at or below 3,500. Fly heading 070 vector, final approach course. PSA 182, the traffic's at 12 o'clock, 3 miles out of 1,700. Okay, sir, maintain visual separation, contact Lindbergh Tower 133.3. Have a nice day now.
Okay. Lindbergh PSA 182 downwind.
PSA 182 Lindbergh Tower. Traffic 12 o'clock, 1 mile west Cessna.
Okay, we had it there a minute ago.
182, roger.
I think he's fast enough, all right.
Roger. How far are you going to take it down when 182 company traffic's waiting for departure?
Probably about 3 to 4 miles.
Okay. PSA 207, attention, position at home.
207, position at home.
PSA 182, clear to land.
182 is clear to land.
The tone, the time will be 9:01 and 20 seconds. The tone, the time will be 9:01 and 30 seconds. The tone, the time will be 9:01 and 40 seconds.
PSA 766, sunset 747.
9:01.
PSA 207, clear for 2000.
PSA 207, Charlie.
That's 11 Golf, traffic's in your vicinity is PSA jet as you inside, descending for Lindbergh.
The tone, the time.
Tower, we're going down. This is PSA.
Okay, we'll call the equipment for you.
Yeah, baby.
The tone, the time will be 9:02 and 10 seconds. The tone, the time will be 9:02 and 20 seconds. The tone, the time will be 9:02 and 30 seconds. The tone, the time will be 9:02 and 40 seconds. The tone, the time will be 9:02.
PSA 207, contact San Diego departure.
The tone, the time will be 9.
What airline?
I'm afraid it was your company.
The tone, the time will be 9:03 and 10 seconds. The tone, the time will be 9:03 and 20 seconds. The tone, the time will be 9:03 and 30 seconds. The tone, the time will be 9:03 and 40 seconds. The tone, the time will be 9:03 and 50 seconds. The tone, the time will be 9:04. The tone, the time will be.
Yeah, 6 seconds.
Yeah, we're ready to go.
10 seconds. The tone, the time will be
96, hold for the line.
and 20 seconds.
Charlie, this is Coast Guard Rescue Dr. X-ray, doing the Frank Brown field. I heard about the fire that is now downwind course. Is there anything about it?
143, 727, like he's in the heading. You can see the smoke north of you. The route is requested Coast Guard 1483.
Well, you got 21, sir. Anything else? Yourself.
We're 21, number 2, hold tight.
The time will be.
Do you know the company? PSA.
Exactly. The time will be 9, 5, and 30 seconds. The time will be 9, 5, and 40 seconds.
Princess 320, Quebec, inside Donald, hold fast, 09.
Cessna 08, Quebec, internal approach runway 9 to bend, approach part of the approach end of the runway.
The time
Billy, Roger.
I don't know why state 96 extra position.
The time will be 9, 6, and 10 seconds. The time will be.
Turning direct to the yard, traffic is 827 to Charlie. Weather.
30 seconds.
Delta 63164, over Mount Data of Information Delta for landing.
Cessna 164, Montgomery Tower, runway 28 left, port left-bound wind south of the airport.
164.
Cessna 164, information echo is now current, the wind is calm, the altimeter 2987. Montgomery Tower, runway 28 left, port left downwind south of the airport. Wind calm, altimeter 2987. Traffic is a Cessna inbound to left downwind from Mount Soledad.
Okay.